Have you ever wondered what the real difference is between organic and natural products? Many people believe these terms are interchangeable, but the truth is that they have completely different definitions and impacts. Organic products are grown without chemical pesticides, synthetic fertilizers, or genetically modified organisms. Natural products, on the other hand, may contain ingredients from nature, but this does not guarantee they are free from chemical processes or artificial additives. Understanding this difference is essential for anyone seeking a healthier and more conscious lifestyle. When choosing food, cosmetics, or cleaning products, it is common to encounter eye-catching labels claiming 100% natural or certified organic. However, not everything labeled natural is truly healthy, and not every organic product is automatically better for all purposes. A simple example is natural fruit juice, which may contain added sugar, while organic juice, even with sugar, ensures the ingredients were grown without pesticides. In cosmetics, the difference becomes even clearer. Natural creams may contain plant extracts but also include preservatives and artificial fragrances. Organic cosmetics go through certifications that confirm the natural origin of all ingredients and the absence of toxic substances. This not only protects skin health but also reduces environmental impact. Another important example is cleaning products. Natural detergents may be less harsh but are not always biodegradable or free of harmful chemicals. Organic cleaning products, on the other hand, follow strict standards that ensure lower environmental impact and are safer for children and pets. Therefore, when making conscious choices, it is essential to read labels, check certifications, and understand what each term truly means. It is also worth noting that price does not always reflect quality. Natural products may be expensive due to branding or marketing, but they do not offer the same benefits as certified organic products. So before buying, ask yourself, am I buying this because it is genuinely good for my health and the environment, or just because it looks good? The choice between organic and natural products should be based on knowledge, not appearances. Investing in organic products is a way to support sustainable farming practices, reduce exposure to chemicals, and consume more nutritious foods. On the other hand, natural products can still be part of a healthy routine if carefully analyzed. Correct information is what separates conscious consumers from those merely following trends. So next time you're in the supermarket, ask yourself, do you really know the difference between organic and natural? Understanding these differences helps make smarter, more economical, and healthier choices. This knowledge is key to a balanced, safe life, in harmony with the environment.